Did you know that 88% of millionaires have at least one credit card, but they manage them in ways that could make or break your financial future? So, what do rich people know about credit cards that you don't? It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you use credit. Let's dive in. Credit cards are an essential part of personal finance. But did you know that the habits of the wealthy around credit cards can actually fast-track their financial growth? In today's video, we'll explore the strategies used by the rich that you can start using today. Let's face it, most people use credit cards the wrong way. They swipe without a plan, rack up high interest, and end up drowning in debt. And if you've ever been there, you know how quickly it can spiral. But here's the problem. Many don't realize that credit cards don't have to be a burden. In fact, used correctly, they can actually help build wealth. So, what's the difference between your typical credit card user and a wealthy individual? It's all about mindset and strategy. Rich people are strategic about their cards, using them as tools to maximize rewards, avoid debt, and grow their wealth. Let's break it down. First, reward maximization. Wealthy individuals know exactly how to choose cards that give them the most value. Cashback, travel points, and even special perks like concierge services and airport lounge access. They're not just using their credit cards for the sake of spending. They're leveraging those purchases to earn valuable rewards that align with their lifestyle. Next, let's talk payments. Wealthy individuals understand the power of paying off their balance in full each month to avoid high interest rates. This simple habit can save them thousands over time. Finally, they manage their credit score like an asset, consistently paying on time, keeping their utilization low, and strategically increasing their credit limits allows them to qualify for even better cards with even more perks. But here's the real game changer, the strategy that can propel you towards financial freedom, the credit card cycle. Wealthy individuals don't just pay their cards off, they time their payments around their billing cycle. By paying early and often, they not only avoid interest, but also boost their credit score and improve their purchasing power for future investments. It's a systematic, deliberate approach, constantly earning rewards, maintaining excellent credit, and making purchases that align with their financial goals. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to use this method. So, there you have it. By understanding how the wealthy use credit cards, you can start to unlock these same strategies. Maximize rewards, pay off balances in full, and manage your credit score with precision. These small habits can have a big impact on your financial future. What credit card habits have you adopted? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips to boost your personal finances, don't miss our next video on budgeting like a billionaire. Click here to watch. Let's continue your journey to financial freedom.